Good morning and happy last week of school. I can't believe it. I know this is not how we wanted to finish out the year, but you guys have done awesome and I am so proud of all the work that you have done. I have 2 experiments for us today and they both involve colors and rainbow. I thought it would be kind of fun to have something cheery and happy on this last day. So the first one is a Skittles experiment. So all you need is Skittles, a plate, and some water. So I have some water in here. So I'm going to flip my camera so that you can see. Okay, so all that I'm going to do is take some Skittles and start putting them around the plate. And you want to try and alternate colors. You can make a pattern if you want. I'm just going to kind of place them and make sure they're next to different colors. Okay, so I have all my Skittles laid out. You can use a smaller plate and it would just use less Skittles. Like I said, you can arrange them in any way you want, just make sure the colors are spread out. And next I'm going to take some water and just pour it in the middle. And let's watch and see what happens. So we see the colors starting to come off. I want you to make a quick prediction if you think the colors are going to bleed together or if you think they'll stay within their color. They're just about done dissolving and they stayed within their color path, so they didn't all mix together, which is pretty cool. Our Skittles are coated with food coloring and sugar, and when we dissolve them in water, that coating comes off. So that's what's in the middle, is the coating from the Skittles. You can even see on the Skittles, the bottom half is missing the coating. So that was the end of our first experiment today with the Skittles. Some fun things to try out with this one is I had kind of lukewarm water, but it would be interesting to see if you added cold water or hot water, if the colors would blend faster or maybe slower. I've also seen where people do a circle of M&Ms on the outside and then a circle on the inside, so a smaller circle, and then pour the water. So that looked like a cool design when they did that. So have fun with this one and put the Skittles wherever you would like, and I'd love to see how it turns out. So this next one is called the traveling or dancing water experiment. You need paper towels, food coloring, some plastic cups, clear plastic cups if possible, and some water again. So I'm going to use 7 cups. If you don't have 7 cups, you could always do this one with less. I'm going to count at 7. Okay. And I'm going to put my cups in front. I will flip this around once we finish it so that you can watch what's going to happen. So we have 7 cups and I'm just placing them out in front of me. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I have my 7 cups laid out, and I'm going to fill water in every other cup. So I'm going to start here. And you want to fill them about halfway. Okay, so every other cup has water. And now I'm going to put food coloring in those cups that have water. So while those kind of mix in, you can stir it if you want. I'm gonna let it sit there while I show you the next step. Okay, this next step you're going to do 6 times. So you're going to take 1 square of paper towel and fold it in half and press it down. So it should look like this. Then fold it in half that same way again and push down. So now it's like this. And we're going to fold it the other way now and push down. So you want to push firmly, and we're going to do that 6 times. So we want 6 of these. Okay, I have my 6 paper towels folded, and because I'm using shorter cups, I'm going to cut my paper towels a little. Okay, next I'm going to put each one of these folded paper towels into my cups. So it's going to go inside of one, and the other end will go inside the other. So that was just it for about a half hour. It takes a lot longer than I thought it would, but you can see the water starting to transfer up the paper towels and into the cup that had no water, and then it's combining with the 2 cups. So it's pretty cool. It does take a while. I suggest maybe setting it up while you're working on your choice boards and just every once in a while looking up to see. It's a very slow process. So like I said, that's been about 30 minutes. I'm going to take a break from filming it, and I will show you a picture of what it looks like in another 30 minutes. And that's all for our science videos. I have really enjoyed making these and hearing all about you guys trying them as well. I hope that you've had fun watching, and I hope you guys have a great summer.